got one over here somewhere. All right, so whenever you put this in, make sure it's below this hole. See the hole? It's below the hole. Kingpin will not go in there. Cammed up, son. Tapered cone here aligns the other side. That in there like that. Now this here is your reamer, okay? And this is how it adjusts. What happens is you turn this, right? And you tighten this side, and it shoves these down, and it either makes them wider or narrower, okay? What you do is come over here, and you stick it in there, and you line your hole up right there. Some of you guys know how to do that, okay? And you go like that. Get it lined up. Tap her on there, and then I use little 3/8 like that. And then you watch here. And you just cut just a little bit out of there, like so. Let's breeze out like so. There we go. Yeah. Pull that out. Always set it back on the rag. And you come in here and you clean that out a little bit. You know, your excess out of there. Should be pretty snug. There we go. There we go. It should be kind of hard to turn. It should be pretty snug in there. Alright, now when you do it the other way, you just stick this in here, like so. And like that, and get her all lined up, nice and smooth. But you don't move this side, because we already got this side tight, so you already know what size it is. And you just run it through again. Then once you get all the way through, it'll usually free up. Just keep spinning it until it frees up really nice, you know, like so. Out. Now you want these tight. You want this really snug, but not too snug, because if it's too snug, it'll cause the truck to road walk. There we go. All right. No movement. Look at there. None. Zero. Now what you do is when you get this on the truck, you go ahead and everything should be good to go. I can't read that number. I'm gonna have to clean that up. You don't want to lose this. You need this so that way you can line bore it basically with, you know, evenly with both sides. Both sides line up, you know. I think I got it cleaned off enough. You can see there. It's a 09630 MP 1.781 to 2.093.